One of the challenges with used RVs, and especially the older ones, is finding parts for some of those vehicles. Some of the manufacturers have gone out of business. Some of the companies that made those components are no longer in business. So finding parts for those older units could be a little difficult. We had a question come in here just recently. They have a 2004 Damon Intruder and looking to locate gaskets for the large slide. Do you have any suggestions? And the gaskets or the seals that are typically used in the slide rooms are still available. There's a lot of companies that are reproducing those. The first thing you have to do is you have to identify the type of seal. Now, a larger room like that, typically a lot of manufacturers will use a two-sided bulb seal with a flap or a squeegee. And this pretty much just goes right over the framework of the actual sidewall of the motorhome or the travel trailer and goes all the way around the perimeter, and the flap will squeegee and wipe the room off. It also allows, when the room goes about halfway, it will seal rather than having a gap, you know. Now the other type is where they just use a bulb seal on one side of the room and a bulb seal on the other side of the room. So bring your room out about halfway, take a look at the type of seal you've got. Usually it's going to be a rubber membrane seal. It'll either stick on, or it'll be, if it does go over the framework, it'll literally be squeezed on there. And there are several companies, typically if you just contact a dealership that carries the Damon product, you can get it. But otherwise, there are a couple companies on the internet. Just visit their website at these locations here, and you will be able to match up the proper seal with what they offer today.